If you're trying to figure out which VPN actually gets you the fastest speeds on Windows, you're in the right place. So stick around because I've tested a bunch of them and narrowed it down to the ones that actually perform well on Windows. And if you want to grab the best deals on any of them, just check out the links in the description below, or you can scan the QR codes on the screen to get the best deals available on these VPNs. So having a fast VPN isn't really optional anymore. It's not just for privacy geeks or people who work in cybersecurity. Everyone needs a fast VPN these days. Think about it. When you're streaming and the buffering icon pops up just as the big reveal happens, that's not just annoying, it can ruin your day. Or when you're working remotely, trying to connect to your office server and it takes forever to load a file because your VPN is crawling. Or maybe you're gaming and every few seconds there's lag that completely throws you off. That's where speed comes in. A good VPN should give you privacy, security, and stability without slowing you down. You shouldn't have to choose between being safe and being fast. Now, when it comes to getting the fastest VPN experience on Windows, there are a few key things that really make a difference. The first one's server location. The closer the server is to you, the quicker the connection. Then there's the VPN protocol. Some are newer and much faster, like WireGuard, because they encrypt your data efficiently without wasting time or bandwidth. Another big one is server load. If a bunch of users are packed into the same server, everything slows down. Bandwidth limits matter too. Some VPNs quietly cap your data speeds, which is a huge downside if you stream or download a lot. And one more that most people forget about is ISP throttling. Some internet providers slow down certain activities like streaming or torrenting, and a solid VPN can stop that from happening. Okay, I'm going to start with NordVPN this time because it's one of the most consistent performers across the board. What makes NordVPN so fast is their massive network of servers and their use of the Nord Linux protocol, which is their optimized version of WireGuard. It's super efficient and crazy quick. They've also got a smart play feature that makes streaming smoother, even if you're connecting to servers in different regions. Their CyberSec feature blocks ads and trackers in the background so your browsing feels cleaner and faster. And if you're on Windows, their app is straightforward. Just open it, hit connect, and you're good to go in seconds. You can grab it at 74% off plus 3 free months through the link in the description or that QR code on the screen. Next up is Surfshark VPN. Surfshark's biggest strength is that it doesn't limit the number of devices you can connect to, so you can keep everything protected without worrying about speed drops. They use the WireGuard protocol too, which means their servers are fast and stable even when there's a lot of traffic. Surfshark also does a great job with server variety. Tons of options across multiple regions, which helps keep your connection fast no matter where you are. Their app on Windows is clean, minimal, and quick to load, so you can get connected and forget it's even running. They're also running a great deal right now at 60% off plus 3 free months using the link or the QR code. Now, CyberGhost VPN, this one's perfect if you want both speed and simplicity. What sets CyberGhost apart is that they actually optimize servers for specific uses like streaming, gaming, or torrenting. So if you just want to hop on and watch Netflix without lag, you can pick a server that's built exactly for that. Their app automatically chooses the fastest connection based on your location, which is super convenient. And for Windows users, the interface is one of the most user-friendly out there. Clean, responsive, and powerful without being confusing. They've got a massive deal going with 84% off plus 4 free months if you grab it through the description or QR code. Then we've got TotalVPN, and I feel like this one doesn't get enough credit. TotalVPN gives you really solid speed for what you pay. They support OpenVPN and IKEv2 protocols, both known for strong performance and stable connections. It's lightweight, easy to install, and doesn't hog system resources, which helps keep your speeds consistent. For people who just want to plug in, connect, and not think too hard about settings, TotalVPN is a great balance between simplicity and speed, and you can get it at 80% off using the link or scanning the code on screen. And finally, Norton VPN. Most people think of Norton for antivirus, but their VPN actually surprised me with how quick it is. They use WireGuard as well, which keeps connections stable and efficient. You get unlimited bandwidth, no throttling, and a strong no logs policy. It integrates smoothly with Windows, so if you're already using Norton's other tools, it feels like a natural fit. It's ideal if you just want something secure, fast, and easy to use without having to tweak anything. You can get it up to $35 off with the link in the description below or the QR code that you see on screen. So when you step back and look at it, the fastest VPNs for Windows are the ones that balance server coverage, modern protocols, and smart connection management. It's not just about raw speed, it's how consistent and smooth your connection feels while you're using it. And the 5 I mentioned, NordVPN, Surfshark, CyberGhost, TotalVPN, and Norton are all built to keep you protected without slowing you down. Plus, each one's running a solid deal right now. So if you're thinking about upgrading your setup, this is probably the best time to do it. Just check out the links in the description below or scan the QR code on the screen to get the best price available on these VPNs. Now, I want to know, what's the main thing you need a fast VPN for? Are you streaming, gaming, or just tired of slow connections when you're trying to work? Drop a comment down below and tell me what you're using yours for, because I'm curious to see what people actually value most in their VPN speed.